Today I will tell you how you can earn money on Snapchat app. So the method is pretty simple, you just have to watch the video carefully and completely. Let's start the video. First of all, open your Play Store. Now update your Snapchat app and go back. Now open your updated Snapchat application. At the bottom corner you will see an emoji icon, click on it. Swipe up. Here you will find many filters and save your favorite filters from here. If you don't like any filter from here, you can search for your desired filter by opening the search bar above. After saving the filters, you have to click the professional photos exactly like I have done. After taking the photos, close the Snapchat app. Now you have to open your Google Chrome. Open your search bar and search for fob.com. Now open this website. Now click on 3 dots to create your account here. Now sign in and create your new account. After creating your account on this website, click here and upload your Snapchat photos here. When a brand, agency or anyone who finds your work outstanding buy a video or photo from your online photo profile, the website will share half of the profit with you.